Now we talk about types of sentences. Basically, students, a sentence are of four types. First one, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now let's see one by one in detail what is the main categorization and identification marks of these sentences. What is called an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence is a sentence that declares something. A sentence that declares something. Assert means assure. For example, the sun is hot. You don't go there. In this sentence, the sun is a subject. This one is predicate. In the second sentence, you is a subject and don't go is a predicate. So, the main identification mark of assertive sentences is that any sentence that start with subject and end with full stop is called assertive sentence. The identification marks of assertive sentence is very easy. A sentence that starts with subject and ends with full stop is called assertive sentence. We can say for the identification. Next one, interrogative sentence. A sentence that is used to ask questions. A sentence that is used to put a question is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, it's obvious that it is usually used to ask questions. For example, are you a student? Means that the speaker is asking you that whether are you a student or not. Second one, what do children like? The main identification marks of interrogative sentence that these sentences always ends with mark of interrogation. Interrogative sentences always ends with marks of interrogation. This is the main identification marks of interrogative sentence. Next one, imperative sentence. A sentence that is used to show order, advice, request, command, etc. is called imperative sentence. Command is also a kind of order. This sentence may be positive, may be negative. For example, open the door. What are you ordering? You are saying to open the door, means that I am giving you order to open the door. Don't open the door. I am stopping you that don't open the door. The main thing of imperative sentence is that in imperative sentences, the subject you is always hidden. The subject of imperative sentences is always hidden, and the subject of any of the most of the imperative sentences is you. The subject of most of the imperative sentences is you. So, if we have used over here, please, kindly, this sentence will also be imperative sentence. Last one, exclamatory sentence. A sentence that shows sudden feeling, emotions, expressions, these are called exclamatory sentence. For example, wow, how beautiful this flower is. How sweet. Bravo, well done, wow. Hey, these words containing sentences are called exclamatory sentence. So, these were the four types of sentences that are given in your book lesson. First, the sentence and its type. And each of the sentence, assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory, these all sentences are of two types. One is affirmative and another is negative. Negative means any sentence that containing any of the negative word is called negative sentence. Okay? And after it,